Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June the 4th, 2023. Do you guys think that an Ethereum pump could leave the overall market speechless? Because that could be something that could be on the horizon for Ethereum. I really wanted to talk about it today because the market in Ethereum, since we've created this price prediction, which is before you, hasn't gone down. It's been elevated. It's been maintaining the weakness. So I wanted to show you all what I expect the price is going to do next. Now, take a look. The market in in Ethereum is literally telling us that our original prediction and forecast was for Ethereum to go lower, right? Now, this price prediction goes all the way back to the 24th of April. I did an update video on the 29th of May, and I was still maintaining that Ethereum was weak. But now I'm seeing things differently because of this consolidational trading range that Ethereum has been going through. When you see days, multiple trading days to where the market is not really trending higher or lower, you got to take note of this. Why is not Ethereum price going down? Because the market is still preparing itself for a move higher. So rather than us continue to sit here hoping and wishing for Ethereum to go lower, the market is obviously telling us it doesn't want to. So let me show you all a couple of things as to why I'm saying that. It's because you guys can see, first of all, this day, every time the market in Ethereum dipped and came down to like $1,800, $1,750, the buyers stepped in and supported the price. If people were not interested in buying Ethereum at these levels, then the market would have inevitably gone lower. But they did. And this is the low right there on May the 12th. And then secondly, you guys can see that we receive an indicator, a push to go up bar on the 28th of May. Again, if the market in Ethereum truly was weak, it would not have created this indicator. And then you have this day, the 2nd of June, right there. The market dipped. After we received this indicator, the market drifted lower. But in one day, this market literally took out those who tried to push down Ethereum's price from the 29th all the way to June the 1st, gone in one day. So the market is trying to move. And from this chart, from what I've talking about already, it's trying to move up. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. If you were to get out the market now in Ethereum, we would be down 3.42%. And it happens. But now we can see what the market is really up to. Take a look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, so you guys can see even here on the 2-day chart, the only problem that you all can tell a little bit clearer here on the 2-day chart is right here. Okay, this area here around 1920 is seen as resistance. The market in Ethereum is trying to break it to the upside. It's trying. And the problem that we have is that we don't know when it's going to happen. We don't. Look at this on the 3-day chart right there. This tells you that the buyers came in and bought whoever sold their Ethereum in the market. Here's Ethereum on the 5. Again, we're getting the same type of price bar here on this current 5-day price bar. Here's Ethereum on the weekly. Here's Ethereum on the 2 weeks. So I'm just quickly showing you all these different time frames. But the market is definitely not exhibiting any weakness on these multiple time frames, and I'm quickly showing you. Okay, so let me do this. I'm already done. Hopefully the things that I've shown you thus far has shown you that yeah, the market is not extremely weak. If anything, the buyers are still trying to control this price action in Litecoin, and we're going to go ahead and participate right alongside with them in this prediction. Now, we want price to continually hold 1750. Okay, we want price to continue to hold that as support for this prediction. Keep in mind, price, there's still a potential for the market price action to not successfully trade above 1920. That is resistance. We're knocking on the door right now. So if this doesn't pan out, that will be the reason why. Now, my first target, it's going to be here around 1950. Like I said, even though we can tell buyers are trying to move this market up in Ethereum, it doesn't mean that they're going to be successful. So if we're able just to see the market hit 1950, we want to at least congratulate ourselves and get that 2.34% out the market. That's our first target. My second one is going to be around 2,000 bucks. Okay. That gives us 5%. And then the third target we had to be around like 21.25. Okay. And that would give us 11.5%. Okay, so 21.25 would be our third target. So I'm done. Simple, easy. It's not complicated once you really understand price action, price bars, and volume to dictate and show. Let them lead you the way as to where price is trying to go. Now give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.